Alright everyone, you already know what the deal is. I mean, you read the title, you already know, man. Like, I'm probably gonna be broke within the next like month and a half because I just spent like almost, I would say like $2,000. I was gonna say $3,000 to flex on you guys, but that's not the case. I spent about $2,300 on both of these phones. Then we got the iPhones coming out very soon, dude. I'm about to be like I don't know if I should like take a loan out for these phones or what, but I bought both the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus, so you know what that means. A ton of comparisons coming out, a final review, not a final review, but a review coming out probably within a week from now. So we're going to be taking a look at pretty much, I'm just going to unbox these now. The one thing I hate about both Best Buy, T-Mobile, and pretty much all these phone manufacturers now is that when you buy a phone, they pretty much unbox it in front of you in order to turn it on, and which kind of annoys me a little bit, but I guess it's whatever. We're going to start off with the Note 10, which honestly, in my opinion, I have some strong opinions about, but the unboxing is pretty straightforward. So like I said, they pretty much already removed the taping around the box, and they didn't even put everything correctly inside of it. So up top you actually have the booklet, which I guess is kind of nice for them to include, so at least I'm happy about that. They have some stuff inside of it too, I forgot. They have the SIM ejector tool right there, and you have a bunch of this paperwork, which I don't think really anybody cares about. Oh, and I think they have a sticker? Nope. This device is packaged with a screen protector. Okay, alright, we get that. You remove this taping up top, as well as, I guess this is the SIM card they give you temporarily. And we have the Note 10 right there, and and we have the charger and everything. It does come with earbuds, which is nice. It comes with the charging block kind of thing. We do have the Note 10 right here. I'm going to go ahead and power it on, and I think it should just turn on like this. Okay, there we go. I guess we'll just go ahead and wait a little bit and let that kind of boot up on the side. Now continuing on with this, this is, I don't even know what this is. I think this is a USB, USB to micro to USB Type-C. So this is pretty much for Samsung DeX support, so I think that's really cool. The Samsung phones, like I said before in a different review, they're like the loudest. They make the randomest noises. Like I said, we also have the charging block, and we have the USB Type-C charger right there, as well as the USB Type-C headphones, I believe. So that's really cool that they brought all those things in. Now looking at the Note 10, I'll definitely tell you, like I said before, this thing feels very premium. It does not feel like a cheap phone. I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticker. Oh, very satisfying. Triple camera setup on the back, S Pen on the bottom, USB Type-C port. This is not a full review, I almost dropped it. But I can definitely tell you, I mean, this thing feels like a very premium phone, but I have some strong opinions about it, which I'll get into in the final review and even in the comparisons that I'll eventually drop. Now that's the standard Note 10. I'm going to get all this stuff set aside. Let's go and look at the Note 10 Plus, which in my opinion is a much better deal than the Note 10. I mean, I personally believe that if you're going to spend the money, you might as well spend like the extra 100 or 150, whatever it is, for the Note 10 Plus than the Note 10 in my opinion. I don't know why Samsung makes these things so difficult to take out. So standard stuff up here, you have just the SIM ejector tool right here, paperwork inside of it in order for you to finish the paper. I don't really need to get into it. And this is the Note 10 Plus. So, oh, they actually gave me the Aura. So the Note 10, they had, I guess this is black, but it looks more bluish in my opinion. I don't know if this is the Aura one. Apparently, I guess it is. But they said they didn't have it. They said they have the blue one. So I guess this is what they meant by blue. I'm actually really happy that they gave me this one. So we're going to go ahead and turn this one on. And in my opinion, like I said, I think this one is the better deal. This one has the SD card slot. This one has a bigger battery, a better screen, way better screen in my opinion than the Note 10, which is 1080p. This one's 1440p. And we'll get into this one in a second. We'll let that load up. And again, we have, I guess, the Samsung little flap up top, a bunch of device information, same standard stuff, charger block, USB Type-C charger, as well as the headphones. So that's really cool. I mean, I'm glad Samsung, and again, these phones are so loud. I'm glad they're still adding headphones and stuff like that. I don't know why they removed the headphone jack. I feel like they could have kept it, but I guess, I mean, it doesn't really affect me too much. Now looking at the Note 10 Plus, it's pretty much, I'm going to be honest, it's like the same exact thing as the Note 10, but it still feels very premium. That's not a bad thing. And honestly, I feel like the Note 9 is still a very premium feeling phone as well. And I'll get into that. I still have the Note 9. I have the Note 9 right here, and you can see they're almost the same size in my opinion. I'll do a full comparison between them in like a minute. I'll put this to the side so I don't confuse them. Let's go and remove this sticker. Bang, bang. All right. And I really do love this color, I'm not going to lie. It's a super good looking phone. Like, obviously, I'm not going to hate on it. Still the standard stuff. I'm going to go ahead and set these phones up and I'll start doing the comparisons, but that's pretty much what comes inside the box. I just hit my elbow really, really bad. Oh my god. But this is the size difference between both the phones, and you can tell, I mean, like, literally, the Note 10 Plus is way bigger, but when I'm holding them in the hands, honestly, like, I don't really feel like they're way different in size, to be honest. They look much more different in size than they really are, which I'm pretty surprised about. I was expecting a bigger difference, in my opinion. With the S10 and S10 Plus, there's a way bigger difference, and actually, I have the S10 right here, which is dead, but you can kind of get a glimpse of how much bigger the Note 10 is. It's just a little bit bigger, not by much though. Compared to the Note 10 Plus, you can see there's a bit of a size difference. I wish my S10 wasn't dead right now, but you can see 10 Plus is way bigger. The Note 10 is almost the same size as the S10 in my opinion, but that is pretty much it, guys. That's a quick little unboxing of phones that I'm really going to be heavily talking about for the next like couple of days, probably not even a week, but I'll give it a couple of days. I'll get all my comparisons out in the review, and then we'll kind of go move on forward. But let me know if you guys have any questions. If there's some specific phone you want me to compare against the Note 10 and Note 10 Plus, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to do whatever comparisons or whatever you guys want me to do. I'm yours. This is like real time. Whatever you guys tell me to do is what I'm going to do. But that is pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, leave it down in the comment section below. Hit that like button. That'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it'll mean so much if you guys could hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. All those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate it if you guys could check it out. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.